Culture is so vital to Nova Scotia, not just historical and heritage culture, but also contemporary art. What amazes me and what actually drew us to be located in this area in the Annapolis Valley was actually bringing visitors to this community and to celebrating what we have to offer here.
We partner with a wide variety of businesses in the Valley so that we can enhance the entire experience a visitor has. We don't consider a visitor's experience to begin when they sit down in a seat and begin watching play. It's about creating multiple reasons for people to enjoy themselves in the region.
Sometimes people come and they say, oh great, we're going to go for a hike on Cape Split, or we're going to have lunch at this fabulous restaurant, or go to the winery. Well, this gives you an opportunity to have a bit of an adventure in a different way, an adventure for your imagination and for your mind. And so it's a pretty special thing that you can only see in this location.